Wait, don't throw away that plastic bottle. With this DIY plastic bottle garden, you can grow vegetables right at home, even if you have no land. Food is expensive, space is small, but here is the secret. With container gardening and a few plastic bottles, you can grow your own food anywhere, anytime. Here is how to start your own bottle garden. Cut your plastic bottle in half or sideways. Add 2 to 3 drainage holes so roots don't rot. Fill it with good potting soil mix. Plant your seeds: tomatoes, spinach, peppers, herbs, even leafy greens. Water gently and place in sunlight. That is your zero-cost DIY vegetable garden ready to grow. In just weeks, these bottles turn into a mini urban farm, from waste to fresh homegrown vegetable. Tips for maximum harvest: try a vertical bottle garden to save space. Group plants like herbs, leafy greens and vegetables together for easy care and a bigger harvest. Next time you finish a drink, don't throw the bottle away. Turn it into DIY container garden and enjoy free fresh food from your own balcony or backyard. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss more gardening hacks that can save you money and grow your food.